Even though we can send documents electronically to one another, and we can even post them up on websites and blogs, the need to print is not going away. When we avoid printing documents these days, we frequently hear the term saving trees. So when we do actually print, we want to make sure we get it right the first time so as not to kill any trees unnecessarily. Well, one way to make sure we get it right is to use the print preview function before sending our documents to the printer. So let's open up a document. We'll click the Office button up here and click Open. Now we're going to need to navigate out of any folder that you're in into the Lesson 3 folder. So I'm going to go up here and move back to my Word folder, which is in my Documents folder. And I'm going to double click the Lesson 3 folder here, and look at that, there's one document, one Word document in here called Newsletter. So you can double click that or click it once and click the Open button to bring it up on your screen. Alright, at first glance we know this is a 2-page document, and how do we know that? Look down here in the bottom left corner, it says we're on page 1 of 2 here on the status bar. To see what this is going to look like on paper, we'll use the print preview function, but first we'll need to find the print commands. And we need to go up to the Office button for now, click Office, come down to the Print button here, and look over on the right. We've got 3 choices. We've got Print Preview, Quick Print, and Print. Alright, we're going to click on Print Preview. So it takes a second, previews our entire page here. You can see that the zoom level is down to 53%, so we can see the entire sheet of paper. We're still on page 1 of 2. And you'll notice that our ribbon has changed here. We've got our print group here. We've got our page setup group here in case what we see in front of us in this print preview screen is not exactly what we like. We can adjust it right here. We can adjust the zoom levels if we want to. And then we've got some preview options here, such as the ruler is being shown, the magnifier as well, and you know that we can turn the mouse cursor into a magnifying glass, which can be used to quickly toggle between 100% and fit the whole page zoom level. So down below you can see when I move my mouse, I've got the magnifying glass with a plus sign. That means when I click it, I'm going to zoom in to 100%. Now my magnifying glass mouse cursor is changed to a minus sign, so when I click, I move back to viewing the full page. I can also move between the pages here, next page, previous page, to see what they look like. And when I'm done, I can actually come over here to print this document, or if I'm done with the print preview and I want to continue working on my document, I can come over here and click the Close Print Preview. So I'm going to give that a click. And we're not ready to print quite yet. In the next lesson, we'll talk about something called Quick Print.